Hey everybody, Premier Box Breaks here. Just went to the card shop and picked up a couple of packs. 2008 SP Authentic. Now we're going to start with this. Here we go. First card is Saints, Reggie Bush, Chad Pennington, Dolphins, Filler. Next card is Marion Barber. I'm sorry, I couldn't see it. Next card is Nate Clements, Greg Jennings. Second pack. Trent Edwards, Ronald Curry, auto of Darius Renaud from the Vikings, number to the 1,199. Darius Renaud, auto, on card auto too. It's nice. All right. Next card is Deion Branch, Ed Reed. Alright, the third pack is J.T. O'Sullivan. These things are hard to read right there, you can't see them. Brian Dawkins, Willie Parker, Roscoe Parrish, Andre Johnson. Alright, Premier Box Breaks.